Sonar contact confirmed, 72 meters in length, artificial origin.
Descent begins. Pressure tolerance tested to 4,000 meters.
Visibility drops below 5 meters. Sonar guidance engaged.
Target identified. Fuselage upright. Stabilizer visible.
Automated mapping records 1.2 million points per pass.
Main hatch ajar. Internal access possible.
Alloy stable. Corrosion minimal. Controls frozen mid-motion since impact.
Cargo restraints and supplies remain intact.
No detonation marks. Impact hydrodynamic.
Mapping coverage 97%.
Trajectory reconstruction in progress. Resting angle 2.3 degrees T, stable foundation.
Fuselage intact. Recovery phase authorized.
Load cells verify 9,000 meters of steel cable under tolerant strain.
Multiple vehicles locked to central guidance for precision formation. Anchor points secured beneath load-bearing frames. Central lift frame aligns within 5 centimeters of target.
Hydraulic systems stabilized. Ready for controlled lift.
Breakaway achieved after 30 years of burial.
Pitch and yaw within 1 degree. Stable climb rate maintained.
Temperature difference reduced to prevent metal shock. The airframe returns to air after 3 decades in silence.
Mass redistributed. Center of gravity locked for transport.
Primary restraints secure. Lift operation complete.
4-day transit to Naval Dock begins under escort.
No hydrocarbon leak detected pro. Operation meets green standards.
Transfer to shore cradle initiated for inspection.
Salt crystals purged to halt chemical corrosion. Recovered alloy maintains 86% tensile yield.
Recorder intact. Memory modules preserved.
Fractures closed. Seam strength exceeds original rating.
Structural alignment verified to factory tolerance. Systems energized for diagnostic operation. Hydraulic pressure holds at nominal levels. Rotational friction recorded for baseline efficiency. Aerodynamic profile validated against original specifications. Resonance patterns mapped for vibration study.
All mechanical and electronic subsystems function nominally.
Restoration phase complete, Plite. Analysis ready for distribution.
The impact crater remains stable, Cav. Sediment has reclaimed the void.
Samples collected for chemical and biological analysis.
Simulated flow analysis validates lift procedure for future missions.
Data improves long-term metal fatigue models under pressure.
Echo time results feed new sonar calibration standards.
Streamline mapping confirms impact-resistant design traits. Updated sensors prepared for next expedition depth tests.
Enhanced mobility extends operational range by 20%.
Next recovery target defined in South Atlantic Survey Zone.
Refitted systems secured for departure.
All navigational and ROV links confirmed operational.
The next deep mission begins where the last one ended.
Mapping continues. The ocean still holds unknown machines.
The sea is silent athont until the next discovery awakens it.